grandmother, Mrs. Jocelyn Dadosan. De Guzman. Roma Santa Zanea K.M. Together with her parents, Mr. Jerome Roma Santa and Miss Jovel Mendoza. Viernes Naomi Kai R. Together with her parents, Mr. Alan Ace and Mrs. Jana Luis Viernes. Cruz Cali Sabrina B. Together with her parents, Mr. Carl Anthony Villacruz and Miss Jenny Lee E. Pasco. Hidea Gia Kirk M. Together with his parents, Mr. Severy Jofian and Mrs. Kimberly May Hidea. Afternoon session. Barrera Zay Patrick Angelo P. A. Barrera. Stand straight po. Carlon Desmond Tomas D. Together with her mother, Miss Lara Joyce Ann D. Del Rio and grandmother, Mrs. Bernadette F. Del Rio. Ardenisa Hendricks T. Together with his parents, Mr. Joel and Miss Annalie Ardenisa. Mahinay Zep. Oriel Rafael Gabriel D. Together with his parents, Mr. Ralph Raymond and Mrs. Jacqueline Oriel. Roque Sean Angel M. Together with his parents, Mr. Rick Jason and Mrs. Darlene Claire Roque. Valdez Brett Ryan S. Together with his parents, Valdez Josiah Nevin Kier D. Together with his parents, Miss Salvacion Amistoso Ishan M. Together with her parents, Mr. Jeric C. Amistoso and Miss Amera D. Marangi. Together with her mother, Mrs. Laline Batoy, and brother Lance Leon P. Batoy. Bermejo Princess Thea R. Together with her grandmother, Miss Thea Austria. Conde Atasha Gabriel T. Together with her parents, Mr. Barrister Card and Mrs. Shara Kuhn Conde. De la Torre Eva Deneen C. Together with her parents, Mr. Aldrin and Mrs. Marie Ivani de la Torre. With her parents, Mr. Eugene and Mrs. Hilda Petalberg. Salazar Roxanne Angel M. Together with her mother, Miss Madeline May Mendoza and Tita Janet Regundo. Sariego Tracy Kali A. Together with her parents, Mr. John Eric and Mrs. Maricel Sariego. And Sigo Lila Estrella D. Together with her parents, Mr. Christian and Mrs. Cheryl Marie Sigo. Okay, please all stand. Okay, kids, tayo po muna lahat. Balik sa upuan, tumayo muna po. Kamay sa gilid. Wala nang malikot. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the dynamic, committed, and dedicated faculty, staff, and administration of Holy Infant Jesus Learning Center in the processional march. MC.
Billing was selected pupils, followed by the singing of the national anthem, conducted by Johan Carida D. Picoy from Preparatory Morning Session.